Today I want to show you step by step how looks the process build the carbon fiber parts from the beginning to the end.
The first step in production of carbon fiber parts is the preparation of the material. Next to me is standing the cutting machine, which task is to prepare the material. If you compare this machine to the work of people, this machine does the same thing in 8 hours that 2 people do in 2 weeks, so it's very efficient.
After the cutting, we have stickers material prepared to the work. This material is covering for the both sides plastic film, friendly because this is very clear. You don't touching the resin. Because inside you have a carbon fiber woven rovings, covered film for the epoxy resin.
One of very important parameters of the carbon fiber that we mostly use, which is prepreg, is great ratio when it comes to strength and the weight.
If we have these stickers, after opening, we use the mold. Inside this mold, we putting down these stickers and very carefully we cover it all in the vacuum bag.
The last thing is the curation of the material in the autoclave. We use pressure and temperature. We slowly raise it, hold it in at some point, so the material hardens and gets its structure and great strength. And later we take the mold with the material out of the autoclave. It's demolded, goes to the finishing stage of the process.
When we have in hand after the molding the ready to use the parts, this is not all, because the next step it is the cutting, polishing, the bonding, sometimes the parts to parts. We assembling the inserts, because sometimes we use the special insert who give us the possibility assembling this part for the frame or again next part. And this is a lot of the process around the finishing the parts to will be ready to the end user. And of course sometimes customers needs in the automotive is very popular. Sometimes we use the varnish for the high glossy surface of the parts who looks like a part of glass and inside have a beautiful graphics for the carbon fiber.
Okay, so on this particular example, right here we have the part that came out of the mold, so it has no holes, nothing in it. The second one, it already has holes, but nothing else. And the last step is to install the rivet nuts, and the only thing to do is polishing, and the part is ready, and this is how we create them. Thank you.